Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Today we are the 11th of March 2023, and it's a lovely temperature that we have. It's only -7, as you can see. The dogs are having fun outside. So the first thing I'm going to do on my to-do list is finish my chainsaw repair, and let's test it. All right, so stick around. Cheers. All right, folks, so what I'm going to do is put gas onto it and look if I have any leaks, because I did change the fuel line from the fuel tank to the carburetor. So I'm going to do that. I don't need to fill it up all the way full, but at least it's a good test. So I'm going to look if it's leaking. If I have any leaks. All right, so far so good, because before it was leaking like a sieve, like there's no tomorrow. So I will spare you the how many times I'm going to crank it before it starts. And stick around. Cheers. All right, the only way I can start it is by using a needle. Like I just pick a little bit of fuel, open the choke, put it in a carburetor like this, and then whew. Yeah. So what is telling me is I need to change the membrane, because the fuel line is totally empty. I've got no fuel coming in there, so there's no suction coming from the membrane. So that will be a project later on. It was quite a fitness test this morning. So let's go on another project. All right, stick around. Cheers. All right, folks, I changed the membrane from another carburetor that I had, and it's still not working. The good news is it's firing, the oil pump is working, the clutch is working. I have no more fuel leaks. It's been what, 2 hours now, then the fuel tank is full and there's no fuel whatsoever. Before I used to so at least I'm progressing slowly. Please do take care of yourself, keep yourself busy, and once in a while take a break. It won't hurt. And enjoy life. Yes, enjoy life. Cheers.